In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Honeybook as a virtual assistant. If you're a virtual assistant, you're likely familiar with the challenge of managing multiple client accounts seamlessly and securely. Honeybook is a powerful tool that can help you navigate this task with ease. Today, we're going to explore exactly how you can utilize Honeybook to work within your clients' accounts without needing to share passwords. And I'll also touch on how you can streamline some of the more repetitive tasks using Automations 2.0. To get started, the first thing you need to do is gain access to your clients' Honeybook accounts as a team member. This is a crucial step because it allows you to work within their accounts while maintaining security and privacy. To do this, simply ask your client to add you as a team member in their company settings. This setup not only keeps your workflow organized, but also ensures that your client retains control over their account access. Once your client has added you as a team member, you'll notice a fantastic feature that Honeybook offers: the switcher. This tool is an absolute game changer for virtual assistants. You can find the switcher by clicking on your profile photo in Honeybook. What makes the switcher so valuable is that it allows you to instantly toggle between your own business workspace and your client's workspaces. This means you don't have to log out and back in every time you need to switch contacts. It's a seamless way to manage multiple client accounts efficiently, saving you time and reducing hassle. Now let's talk about Automations 2.0. As a virtual assistant, you're likely juggling a variety of tasks, and signing a new client can often involve a series of repetitive steps. Automations 2.0 in Honeybook can handle these repetitive tasks for you, helping you to maintain a smooth onboarding process for your freelance services. With Automations 2.0, you can set up workflows that automatically send welcome emails, schedule meetings, and even follow up with clients, all without having to lift a finger. This not only enhances your productivity, but also ensures a consistent and professional experience for your clients. To make the most out of these automations, take some time to think about the tasks you perform regularly when onboarding a new client. Once you've identified these tasks, you can configure your automations to manage them, allowing you to focus your attention on more strategic aspects of your role as a virtual assistant. In summary, using Honeybook as a virtual assistant can significantly streamline your workflow when managing multiple clients. By getting added as a team member, utilizing the switcher feature, and leveraging Automations 2.0, you can work more efficiently and effectively. This setup not only helps you save time, but also enhances the service you provide to your clients, giving them more value and leaving them with the assurance that their accounts are in good hands. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in using Honeybook as a virtual assistant. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on optimizing your workflow.